Hey everyone, in this video we'll solve this LeetCode problem. I had two integers. See, we're given two numbers, okay, so num1 and num2, those are belongs to the data type integer. So what we have to return is we have to sum the integers and we have to return the results. That's it, that's what we're expecting. So we can do in multiple ways. My approach is like directly I can okay. So you can't use this so there are some techniques like return sum of this ones num1 num2, but the logic is like here they already given the name as sum, so that's why you can't do that technique. So directly you can add this num1 plus num2. So let's run this. Okay. So that's it, simple step. Whatever data they given, you have to sum it and you have to give back to them. So that's it guys, in this way you can solve this problem. Okay. Yeah, we'll solve the next problems in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye.